If your Yale Assure Lock 2 is acting up, not responding, or you just want to wipe everything and start fresh, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you exactly how to perform a hard reset on your Yale Assure Lock 2. This process clears all user codes, Bluetooth pairings, and custom settings, taking the lock straight back to factory defaults. It's simple, but you have to follow the steps carefully, so stick with me till the end. First things first, we need to access the reset button. To do that, open the battery compartment on the interior side of the lock. Just slide the back cover upward to remove it. Once it's off, take out one of the batteries. It doesn't matter which one. Removing just one gives you the space you need to reach the reset area. If things feel cramped, you can remove the second battery too, but one is usually enough. Now look toward the bottom right corner of the battery compartment. You'll notice a very small reset hole. That's the button we need to press. Because it's tiny, you'll need something slim like a paper clip, SIM ejector tool, or anything with a fine tip. Insert the paper clip into the reset hole and press and hold the button. Keep holding it. Don't let go yet. While still holding the reset button down, reinsert the battery you removed earlier. This is what actually triggers the hard reset process. Once the battery is back in place, continue holding that reset button for a full 60 seconds. It's important not to release it early, or the reset may not complete. After 1 minute, release the button. Now slide the battery cover back on and give the lock another minute to power back up and reinitialize. And that's it. Your Yale Assure Lock 2 is now fully reset to factory defaults. You can set it up again just like when it was brand new. If this walkthrough helped you reset your Yale lock, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides.